Now I want to talk about frozenset now. We've done all of these up to here, but that's very closely related to set. So I'm going to do set first, and then I'm going to do frozenset. So I key in S1 equals set 1, 2, 3, and I hit enter. Now the big question is, what type of object is this S1? The answer is, it's a set. If I key in S1 again, I'll get 1, 2, 3. Well, can I be more specific? Can I say what is the 1th element of S1? The answer is no, I can't. And it's going to get very angry at me if I try and do that. Well, can I do it another way? Can I use parentheses? Can I say S1's 1th element? And he's going to get angry at me again. He doesn't like that at all. Well, how about adding things on to this set structure, S1? I'd like to add something on to your silly self. Says, well, what would you like added on? The number 7, 7. I'd like you to plug that right in there. Now let's key in S1, and oh my goodness, that worked very well. Let's press our luck a little bit more. S1 dot add. This time let's add in some string data. George Bull. I think I know that guy. And single quote, close this up. Let's see what we get. We didn't get an error. That's a good sign. And there we go. It's in there. But you know what? I'm sort of tired of all this data. I've made a big mistake. I shouldn't have put any of it in. Let's clear this junk out. So I'm going to key in S1 dot clear. Open, close parens. And no error message. Let's see if it worked or not. Oh, our set is empty. We have succeeded. Well, let's put some more data back in there. S1 equals 1, 2, 3. That's a good thing to put in there. Let's add 77 in there again, and let's put George Bull back in. So now we've got our S1 all over again. I think we do. Let's key in S1. Oh, we missed George Bull. All right. Let's add him in. There we go. S1 should have everything. Oh, we're back to where we are. Now, you know what? I just realized I got to get rid of that 77. I got to remove him specifically. So I'm going to key in S1 dot remove. He says, which one do you want me to remove? The one called 77. That's the one I want out of there. And kapow, he's gone now. Oh, that was great. Now, what about... let's just start popping them off from the very beginning of our set. S1? Yeah, I'd like you to pop things out of your set starting from the very beginning. All right, and he just popped out a 1. That means 1 is no longer in there. If I do it again, dollars to donuts, S1 dot pop, dollars to donuts, 2 is gone, and 2 is gone. Just pop them off the list. Pop them off the set, I mean. And there we go. Now we got 3 and G.bool. I don't know. What do you say? Let's add them back in. So I key in S1.add. I'm going to add a 1 back in there. And if I key in S1, there we go. S1.add. Let's put a 2 back in there. And there we go. 1, 2, 3, G.bool. Oh, I'm missing 77. Let's put that boy back in there. Add and 77. And what do we get? Hey, there we go. We're happy and tickled pink. Well, I'd like to take a look at all the methods that are intrinsic to S1 now. How would I go about doing that? Well, I could say x is equal to dir of S1. And now, for each object in x is an iterable, and I'm going to walk right through it and print out each object that's in there. Let's see what we get. Oh, wow, look at all the methods we got here. We went through a few of these. We said add, we saw clear. We haven't done these yet. We did pop, and we did remove, and we haven't done these yet. So we got our work cut out for us. We will continue this in the next video.